to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Angela, and I'm really excited about today's video because I'm actually going to be reviewing a ring light. So a company on Amazon reached out to me and asked if I would review their product, and as a YouTuber, a ring light is something that I have been needing for a really long time, but I have put it off because obviously ring lights can be really expensive. But this brand that reached out to me, it's a pretty affordable price, so I'm hoping that this works really well so that I can recommend this to you guys. You guys know that I'm all about affordability on my channel, so I like to review things that are a decently priced so that I can give you guys my honest review, my honest thoughts, and if it works out for me, hopefully this will be an awesome resource for you. But before we get into this review, I do a lot of videos on my channel, anything from vlogs, reviews like this, first impression videos, makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, all that fun stuff. So if you like a lot of variety, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below because I post new videos every single Sunday and Thursday and I don't want you to miss out. But with that being said, let's go ahead and hop into this video. Alright guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a lot of things. So I'm going to be going over the function of the ring light. I'm going to tell you guys what it comes with, what the price is. I'm going to show you how it works, and I'm also going to be including a before and after, like screen view side by side of what I look like or what I'm filming looks like with the ring light versus not having the ring light. So right now I'm not using it. I'm just gonna, I haven't even opened it. I'm gonna unbox it on camera and put it together and show you guys how it works and really let you guys know what I think of this product. So I'm just using all natural lighting right now. So somewhere within this video, I will definitely put a side by side and show you guys the difference, if there is a difference. And at the end of the video, I will give you guys my honest thoughts, my honest opinions, if I think that this is something that is worth the buy. With that being said, this ring light does go for $109.99. So I think that's pretty affordable because a lot of good quality ring lights that I were looking up were, $200, some of them were even $300. So I think it's a really, really good price if it works. So the name of the company that sent me this ring light is called ZOMEI or ZOMEI. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but it's spelled ZOMEI. And it's an 18-inch ring light with a 70-inch stand. And it comes with a tabletop stand for your makeup. It's good for YouTube videos, obviously. Comes with a ball head, a phone holder, and a diffuser cloth. So I will link this ring light in the description below if you guys want to check it out, if you decided something you want to try. And the company was really nice and gave me a discount code for you guys. So if you do decide to get it, you can get 10% off. So I will put that in the description as well. Let's go ahead and open this box up and see how this works. This box is really big. So I hope you guys can see me still and hear me okay. I'm just trying to back up so I can get this on camera. So I'm excited. Let's go ahead and open this box up. Alright, so I might have to put this on the ground and kind of just pull things up and show you because it's really big, you guys. Alright guys, I think I figured out a much better way. So the lighting still looks decent. So I'm going to unbox it right here on the floor. It's much easier because it's such a big box. So. Alright. So it's a box within a box. So let's move this big one out of the way. Now, how do we open it? Alright guys. Okay. It comes with a charger, which is good because I was thinking, oh my god, I hope it doesn't take like AA batteries or something. I don't have none. This is the stand. So let's see. Wow. Okay, so this is the tripod stand. Okay, so basically you can twist and make it longer. Okay, and so there's like this one, this one, this one. So it obviously gets really tall, which is amazing. I apologize if my review's not very helpful or kind of confusing. I've never used a ring light before, so this is all new to me. So it comes with these thingies, which I'm not really sure what they are, but they must be part of the ring light. And then let's get the ring light out. So it comes in this really nice bag, which is nice. It's not very heavy, surprisingly. Okay, so this is the ring light itself. Pretty big. And it does come with like a holder for like your iPhone. The only thing with this one is that I film on my iPad, but it's totally fine because I have a tripod for my iPad, so I can just like set it behind here because the ring light's so big. But I do film with my iPhone sometimes, so that will come in handy. So this is the holder for the iPhone. So You guys, I need to read this for a second to see how to put this together, and then I will explain it. You guys, okay, I thought this is how it stood. It actually stands this way. So first step is to unscrew this and then pull these babies down. Yeah, there we go. That was confusing. So we're gonna go ahead and stand this up. I swear this is not as hard as I'm making it look to be, you guys. I'm just really bad at instructions. Like, ask my boyfriend. Okay guys, so next it's telling me to put the ring light on. So it says to loosen this. Okay guys, like 20 minutes later, I think I figured it out. So this thing I had to like pull down. It was up this way and I had to pull down, but I was afraid to because it was really hard. And I just was afraid I was gonna break it. But I looked up a tutorial on YouTube of somebody else setting up this thing, and that's what she did. So you just put it on like this and then you just screw it in. The only thing is that it's wobbly. So I'm like genuinely afraid that it's gonna snap off one of these days because it's so top heavy. So I think this is like a diffuser to like make the light dimmer, and this comes off. So let me go ahead and see what we're supposed to do next. Okay, this is gonna turn into a 2-hour video. Okay guys, so that's how you put it on. And it was wobbly because I had taken this piece off to loosen it to put it on. So I put this piece back on the side and it tightens it. So that wobbling issue is no more, so we're good. So I think this is the thing for the iPhone holder that you can put up here. All right guys, I repositioned you, so I'm going to plug it in and let's see how this works. Ooh, and wow, that's bright, you guys. Can you see that? So, and this is with the diffuser thing on as well. So let me go ahead and see if I can get this off, because I honestly would probably mostly use it without. Oh my god, you guys, that's so bright. I like that it comes with a diffuser, if that's what it's called, to kind of like dim the light for certain things, which is really cool. If you guys can see how bright that is, like extremely bright. This is amazing, oh my god. But you can play with back here, so you can play with like the brightness, so it keeps getting brighter. So there's just a little knob right here. So I'll shine it on me so you can see the difference in how bright it gets. Let's see. So this is all the way off, and then this is pretty much like the dimmest, and then this is like the brightest. And I'm gonna film the rest of this video using the ring light so that I can show you guys the before and after of what it looks like with me sitting in the same place in front of my window to see if it actually makes a difference. And then we'll go ahead and review it, and I'll tell you the pros and cons and what I think about it. So. Alright guys, so I'm sitting in the same spot, the same natural lighting in front of my window. I even have my lamp on off to the side because I had it on when I first started filming, so I didn't want to change anything about the lighting except for adding the ring light in. So this is it at, look at that highlight. Oh my god, you guys can see my makeup so much better. If it's too bright for you, like I said, you can adjust it. I have it set on the highest light right now. So I wanted to show you guys a quick side by side. The one on the left is without the ring light. The video on the right is with the ring light. I can see a huge difference. I think that the one with the ring light looks a lot brighter, less yellowy, less shadowy. It just looks like a lot more clearer, better quality video and less grainy. With that being said, let's go ahead and talk about the pros and cons of this ring light. So I made a little list. The first pro is that I think it is very affordable for the size that it is. I mean, I showed you guys when I was putting it together, it's a huge ring light and it stands really, really tall. And I just think for a little over $100, you're definitely getting more than what you're paying for, if that makes sense, because it actually works really good. I mean, this is so bright and it makes my video quality look so much better, even though I'm using an iPad. So if you're somebody who maybe can't afford to go out and buy like a $300-400, camera for filming right now, which I can't, maybe investing in a $100 ring light will really help, because sometimes lighting makes all the difference. So I know that when I eventually do get a good camera, it's gonna look even better, but this is still like night and day compared to what my videos looked like before. So affordability, the way that it works is really great. Another pro is that when I was looking on the website, you actually can add a protection plan on this ring light. So for an extra $13.26, you can add a 4-year accident protection warranty. Of course, I don't know all the details of that, but I think it's really great when a company ZOMEI adds a warranty, you know, a type of like plan where if something happens, you can get it replaced, because there's nothing worse than spending your monies on something and then having it not work. So that is another pro. The next thing is I like that there is adjustable lighting. So depending on what type of video you're filming or how bright you want it to be, I like that you can adjust it. Like if you're gonna film makeup videos, you obviously want it to be really bright, but if you maybe want to film something kind of like eerie, I don't know, like paranormal story times, you can like lower the lighting and make it a little bit more eerie. So I really, really like that. And then I also like that it comes with this like diffuser. I'm not gonna put it on because it's too hard with the way I'm sitting, but I'm just gonna like hold it up against the light and show you guys the way it changes the lighting. It makes it more of a warm tone, but it's still really bright. So I'm just gonna hold it over it. So as you guys can see, it's a huge difference. So depending on your lighting situation, what type of video you're looking to film, you could have it kind of more of like a warm tone, or you can just take it off and have it like super, super bright. So I like that you have a lot of options to play with lighting with this ring light. There aren't many cons. I would really say the only con that I have is that I can't put my iPad into the screw. So it comes with the screw on to sit actually in the ring light for the iPhone, but I film most of my videos with my iPad. But that's not really a big con for me because right now, I mean, it's still working. All I did was put the ring light behind my iPad and I set my iPad in front. And I know that if I go on Amazon or something, I could buy like a different type of screw on thing for the iPad that's adjustable so that I could lift it up and screw it in and then put my iPad in there. So it's definitely doable. It just didn't come with the plug-in. All right, so my final thoughts on this ring light are that I genuinely think it's a really, really good ring light. Are there maybe some better ones you could probably get for like $300-400? Sure, probably. There's better quality of everything, but I think that for the price, it works really, really well. And I'm honestly really surprised and really impressed that the ring light works so well and that it has so many different functions like we just talked about for the price that it is. For $109, it is just over $100. It makes it really affordable. You can even get the warranty in case something happens. And for me, it's a total game changer because I could only film up until this point 3 days out of the week on the days that I was off because I had to wait until the perfect lighting, until I had the perfect lighting. And I am a night owl. So I am one of those people that can get motivated to film something at 10 o'clock at night or at midnight. So I'm so excited. This is a game changer for me. Having a ring light makes filming so much easier when you're a YouTuber, or even if you're just somebody who, you know, needs good lighting for like photos or anything like that, because it makes it to where you can film any time of the day. So if you guys are looking for something that's affordable, that's gonna work really well, then I think this is a really great option. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. I really hope that you found, you know, my detailed review unboxing helpful, because I know for me, it can be really overwhelming trying to find good equipment for filming. So any way that I can help, I hope this is helpful. And don't forget, if this is something that you wanna try out, I did link this product in the description below. And if you do get it, I do have a 10% off code in the description as well, so don't forget to use that. And with that being said, as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!